guys, so today we are going to be repotting this beautiful bird of paradise, Strelitzia Reginae. It is the orange bird of paradise and we just watered it, so it's a bit drippy. You want to hold it?
Yes.
So the pot, okay, let's show it. So we want to repot it because, as you can tell, the nursery pot that it comes in, it is all warped on the bottom, and that is due to the roots are just bulging out of here. So, and actually, oh, okay, I can see the roots through these holes. So we're going to go ahead and repot this because it is bulging out. It is ready to be in a bigger pot, so I'm going to potting it in this pot here, and I just found this at my Lowe store. We drilled some holes at the bottom and going to put a rock on each of the holes so the soil doesn't come out. Ready? Okay, so what we're gonna do is just cover up each of those holes down there with a rock so the soil does not come out. And the soil that we're gonna be using is, I'm gonna use this black gold orchid mix mixed with some organic potting soil that I have here, and this is for flowers and for vegetables, but I think it's gonna work really well for this bird of paradise because they are heavy feeders and they like a lot of nutrition. He's gonna be outside here on our patio, so I just felt like this is gonna be a really good mix for him. So let's go ahead and mix it up. You just want to show your car, huh? And I don't have a knife. Okay, so let me see the roots on here. So as you can tell, the roots are pretty giant. Yeah, they are definitely ready to be repotted. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now.
A lot of soil.
Okay, so we need to put some more soil in there. That's just not enough. Alright, so we ran out of that other stuff, so I had a bag of this in the garage, and I'm going to go ahead and fill up the rest of the pot with this. What do you think? Is it going to look good?
Yeah.
Alright. Here, scoop some out, okay?
Okay. I only grabbed like a giant bit. Now I get to grab the pot in here. A little bit. Just a little bit. Still have some more. I didn't get the
Alrighty, you guys, well, that is the end of this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Please leave a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.